everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into imb.com.au account. IMB Bank is a mutual bank based in Australia which offers a range of financial products and services including savings accounts, transaction accounts, home loans, personal loans, and so much more. To log into your IMB bank account, you'll need to first open up a web browser. In the web address bar, type in the URL www.imb.com.au and press enter. You'll end up in the official webpage of IMB Bank, which looks like this. To log in and access your internet banking service, you'll need to click on this login to internet banking at the top right hand corner. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the login portal. Type in your member number and your password associated with your internet banking account. If you don't remember your password during the process, you can get help by clicking on the reset password link on the top right and then follow the instructions so that you can reset to a new password. Write down the new password that you just reset to and click the sign in button in order to log into your IMB Bank internet banking account. You can now manage and access your account anytime you want by simply entering your credentials and with a click of a button. That is how you can easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.